Hello friends, let's solve next aptitude question from civil forenoon paper of GATE 2018. The question was, there are 7 numbers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, unique numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, so these numbers are having value from 1 to 9, some values from 1 to 9. And there is one data given like A into B into C is equal to D into E into F is equal to B into G into E. And they have given the option then directly, then which of the following value cannot be value of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now what happens, again I am repeating the same statement I have told many times in my live classes, that do not panic, try to focus and try to solve the questions, at least start. Okay, so I have taken feedback from some students, they have not attempted this question, but this was very easy question. Now let's see how to solve this question. So these numbers are from 1 to 9. So if this equal to this or this equal to this, can I say that prime factorization of this whole term will be equal to prime factorization of this whole term? Will be equal to prime factorization. What I am trying to say, if you will do prime factorization of this entire term, if you will do prime factorization of this and prime factorization of this will be same, all should be same. Now prime factorization, so if I will do the prime factorization of numbers present here, so I have done prime factorization of these numbers. Now tell me, just think, okay, which of these numbers can never become part of this? So as I told, the prime factor of this, prime factor of this and prime factor of this should be same. That means whatever prime factor, suppose I am getting here 2 square, so here also it should be 2 square, here also it should be 2 square. Suppose I am having 3 as a term here, it should be 3 here, it should be 3 here. Suppose I am having 5 here, it should be 5 here, 5 here. Now just see, that prime factor should be part of all 3, but here if I will focus on this term or this term, these two are having, these two numbers 5 and 7 are not available anywhere else. These two numbers are not available anywhere else. So these two numbers, to be part of these 3, there should be one common alphabet in these 3, but there is no one common alphabet in all these 3. So if 5 need to come here, here, one alphabet should be same for all 3. One alphabet should be same for all 3, which is not there. That means 5 cannot become part of prime factor. So if 5 is here, 5 needs to be here, 5 needs to be here, but there is no common alphabet in all 3. That means 5 is that number or 7 is that number which cannot become part of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So your answer straightforward is 5. So many students, what they try to do, they try to do this question by assumption and all that. Nothing is required. So I'll quickly repeat again. So prime factorization of these 3 terms should be same. That means whatever prime factors, prime numbers I am getting here, it should be here, it should be here. Now if I prime factorize all these numbers, I get that 5 or 7, these 2 numbers are not available in any other number. So if any of these alphabet is 5, so then this equation will not hold true, because 5 should come in all 3 places, otherwise they will not be equal. So 5 is that number which cannot be part of A, B, C, D, E, F, G according to the options here given here. Okay. In case if you have any doubt related to the data given in this question or solution, feel free to contact us on the number given on the board. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.